हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं स्पेशल एंट्री से रिलेटेड एक प्रॉब्लम आपको दे रहा हूं। आप सबको लिखें। जर्नलाइज द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजेक्शन इन द बुक्स ऑफ भूषण एजेंसीज। बिट 1, रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम भरत कैश 20,000, comma, allowed him discount rupees 500. Bit 2, received from Vikas 35,000 by check, comma, allowed him discount of rupees 750. Bit 3rd, received from Akhil rupees 38,000 in settlement of his dues of 40,000 in cash. Bit 4, received from Amrit rupees 50,000 by check on account against due of 60,000. Bit number 5, paid cash rupees 40,000 to Suresh, comma, availed discount of 2%. Availed discount of 2%. Bit 6, paid by check rupees 25,000 to Mehar and settled her dues of 26,000. Bit 7, paid rupees 25,000 to Yogesh by check on account. Bit 8, purchased goods costing rupees 1 lakh against check and availed discount of 2-3%. Bit 9, purchased goods costing 60,000 from Akash and Company, comma, paid 50% immediately, availing 3% discount. Bit number 10, sold good of 30,000 against check, allowing 2% discount. Bit 11, sold good of 60,000 to Vimal, received 50% due amount, allowing 2% discount. हुआ, ये ट्रांजेक्शन्स ओवर हो गए। अब मैं इनका आंसर लिखाऊंगा। आंसर कहीं बैक पेज में लिख के रखो, सॉल्व करने के बाद चेक करना। बिट 1 का आंसर होगा कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड 20,000, डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिटेड 500 टू भारत अकाउंट 20,500। बिट 2 का आंसर होगा बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड 35,000, डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिटेड 750 टू विकास अकाउंट 35,750। Bit 3. Cash account debited 38,000. Discount allowed account debited 2,000. To Akhil account 40,000. Bit 4. Bank account debited 50,000. To Amrit account 50,000. Bit 4 था ये वाला. ठीक है. Bit 5. Suresh account debited 40,800. To cash account 40,000. To discount received account 800. Bit 6. Mehar account debited 26,000. To bank account 25,000. To discount received account 1,000. Bit 7. Yogesh account debited 25,000. To bank account 25,000. Bit 8. Purchase account debited 1 lakh. To bank account 97,000. To discount received account 3,000. Bit 9. Purchase account debited 60,000. To cash account 27,100. To discount received account 900. To Akash and company account 30,000. Bit number 10. Bit number 10. Bank account debited 29,400. Discount allowed account debited 600. To sales account 30,000. Bit number 11. Bank account debited 29,400. Discount allowed account debited 600. फिर से बोल रहा हूं. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड 29,400. डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिटेड 600. विमल अकाउंट डेबिटेड 30,000. टू सेल्स अकाउंट 60,000. ठीक है बच्चे लोगों, ये मैंने आपको आंसर लिखा दिया है, क्वेश्चन में लिखा दिया. अब सॉल्व करना, चेक करना, और अगर कहीं भी कुछ डाउट होगा इमीडिएटली मेरे को कॉल करना. ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे.